going on, everybody? So today we're gonna do what I said I was gonna do a few months ago, and we're gonna try to move this Yukon body here. This was my second vehicle ever. This thing was awesome at the time, and then I completely tore it down. I built a frame for it, put airbags on it. Back when I was younger, I installed these big tubs for the wheels. You can see that one over there. These big tubs in the back. Put some in the front. Oh my gosh, so many weeds. This thing's been here for 4 years. But yeah, you can see I tubbed the front of it, and it was fun. You know, I've had a lot of fun times in this thing with some friends of mine. I even tubbed the door here. But I just quit working on it, and I tore it apart and sold the frame, and I just never got back to it. I just want it out of the way because eventually I want to move this carport and build a shop here. But the first order of business, before I can do that, is figure out why I have a sinkhole. You can see that, and that goes down about 3.5 foot. And we got a really bad rain a year ago or so, and that just happened, and it's actually traveling. So this is my buddy's car. We're gonna get this out of here, get this frame out of here, get my mower out of here, probably tear this carport down and dig all this up and see what's going on. But that's for another video. Today we're just gonna hook some straps around this thing on the inside and try to move it over there somewhere out of my way. So I know it looks like I have a lot of space, but I don't. It's in a good spot right now, but honestly this thing's probably gonna go to the scrap yard soon. So yeah, let's get to it. Tell you, using this controller, that was nice. That was cool. I can just walk around and use it, no problem. Well, it's off the ground for now. Let's go move it somewhere. think that worked pretty well. So we'll just probably leave it right there for now until I get ready to take it to the scrap yard. Maybe I can give you all a little bit of a better look at this thing. See, I tubbed the front. Let's see, yeah, it was an okay job. I dented the back just now, but again, I don't really care because this thing's going to the scrap yard probably, or it's gonna sit here. I don't know, but I wonder what this is. Oh, gun case. This junk that's been sitting in here for 4 years. All right, well, that worked. Y'all saw it. That's the biggest thing I picked up so far, I think. Although that pipe over there is pretty heavy. It's probably pretty close to the same weight. I'm thinking this is 800 or 900 pounds maybe. So ballpark, same thing. But yeah. All right, well, that concludes this. Appreciate y'all watching, and on to the next one.